Hello, this is Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media, and I would like to show you today how you can use the app IGTV to load a video that's longer than 1 minute to your Instagram account. So first I'm going to open up Instagram, and I'm going to show you from your profile on Instagram. If you click the plus and you had a video that was longer than 1 minute, say this one here, you see how it's not loading it to the IGTV. It's not giving us that option. Now, however, I have had on occasion where it has done that. So it's kind of hit and miss, and we don't want to play hit and miss. We want to add our video. So to be sure, what we're going to actually do is download in the App Store the IGTV app. And when you open the app, it allows you to load a video that's longer than 1 minute. And it will actually give the video a preview on your posts on Instagram in the feed, and it will ask people after 59 seconds if they would like to watch the entire video by clicking on the little TV set and going directly to your IGTV account. So we're going to click the plus on the IGTV app in the top right-hand corner. From here, you need to find your video, and there is an aspect ratio for IGTV, and there are apps you can use to resize those videos to fit. For example, I've used InShot to resize all these videos. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the video that I want, and it is from here that it loads. I then go ahead and click Next. And you could add a cover image to this video if you wanted to, and this is where you would go ahead and do that. Then we're going to click Next again, and then we're going to add our title. Now, once you have your title in, you could add or create a series such as we have here and add it to a series, or click New Series to create a new series title. Then in the description box, if I click on it, I could go ahead and I could start writing out the description. I could even use the microphone to speak out the description, but I've already prepared the description and kept it in my notes. So I'm going to open up my notes on my iPhone, and in my notes, I want to make sure I've got the right one. I'm going to click, here we go. And there, I put my finger in the middle, and I'm going to drag those notes all the way down, and it will copy all the hashtags I've prepared. I click copy, I go out, and I go back to the IGTV app, and I can simply click in the center and paste. And now my video is ready to be posted on IGTV, and as you can see in the middle, it is beginning to load. And this is the process that you do to get your videos onto your IGTV TV. So if I click on the TV, you can see all the videos that have been added. And I wanted to tell you, most accounts can only have a video that is 15 minutes and less. So if you cannot load your video, it might be because it's longer than 15 minutes. This is Heather, and I hope this tip helps you become a better social media marketer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell so you can find out when I'm putting out more new videos. Thank you.